right, so here we are plugging away on some of Dean's interesting components here for his, this is for his brake pedal linkage. That's just a piece of bolt cut off, or all thread that somebody cut, and it's the word I'm looking for is not happy. That's what that is. That's not happy, because I think that's not even grade 8. That's like grade Chinesium. So threads in this end are good. That's trashola. This we can more than likely straighten, but this will also thread into here fine once it's straightened. So we can check for our distance there, and hopefully it's enough. We can go from there, and we don't need that stuff. Okay, so we got those apart and straightened. That interesting piece of all thread mess is out of there along with that coupling. So I want to reassemble this in the actual cantilever and then get it back in the car and check it. Because if we can just put this together and weld it and it's solid and that length will do just fine, the world will be a happy, better place. But we have plenty of adjustment here too. Like we have about 1/2 inch of adjustment too. We can adjust it out. So we can straighten it, weld it, make it nice. So I got that back together. We'll get this mounted back in the car, and we can adjust from here. Because I can even weld that up in the car, really. I can just put the blanket down and just zap real quick. That'll be good. And of course, once it's in there too, it's not gonna spin. So, but I'd like to weld it to make sure it's nice and strong and locked in. So in the morning, we'll get this in. We will set our distances here. And hopefully, with any luck, we can have this baby back together and the brakes done and driving. That way Dean can come pick her up.